Aren't you going to sit down on here?
I'm going to sit up here since I have Lily.
Because Elena might hit her.
Be careful you don't want to put a hole in that bag.
Why?
Because it'll be hard to clean up.
Here's an orange for you. Here's an orange for you.
Hopefully you can see her. I don't know where I'm filming.
Here's your orange. Here's your orange. Elena, that's not a ball. Come on. That is not a ball. Are you serious? Don't you want to sit down on here? It's fine.
We just got this from Walmart today. It's like...
And we're trying it out. And I'm gonna try my
It's supposed to be... I can't talk today. It's supposed to be like a picnic blanket. And when you fold it a certain way, it turns into like a bag. So I thought that was fun.
I wish there was nails for this so it can stay on the ground.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because sometimes you might run and then you might jump on here.
Yeah. She said, "Hey, Lila."
I'm really happy for her.
Why?
Because remember we all eated pizza? Remember when Amy came over?
Yep. Lila.
It's kind of So this whole thing is a packet.
It turns into a bag.
Oh, that makes
Okay, bye guys.